Everyone keep your audio mute, please. Good afternoon to all of you. Can you hear me? Is my voice is audible? Please confirm. Anyone?
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Okay. So first of all, I would like to check with everyone. So this is completely workshop. So anyone from Chanu SK institution, please put your comment. Yes. So anyone from Chanu SK Infotech, please put your comment. Yes. Just to say yes in the chat box. Okay. 5, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Right. Today we'll discuss about SAP FI to SD integration areas. This is the first workshop. So in our workshops, mostly we will discuss about the real-time scenarios and real-time errors during this process. So anyone having any issues or any doubts, please feel free to ask me. So this is the demo session. The first demo should be completely free. From the second demo onwards, everyone need to register. Okay, and when the batch will be started, I will announce in the chat box. So Srinivas, please keep your video off. So anyone from outside, please confirm. Anyone from outside? See this session. What's your name? Vijay?
My name is
Chitti Babu. Okay. So have you tried?
Yes, sir. I have signed
Okay. You have tried already. Okay. Vijay, what about Vijay?
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Okay. So you are already trained or this is the first time? See guys, only attend. See guys, attend only the people who already trained. Okay. So freshers don't attend these sessions. Even if you attend, there is no use. You will not understand anything over here. You can just leave from the class. Okay. So fresher students, please can leave from the group because you don't understand anything because we will start from the FI to SD integration areas, not from the basics. Okay, for basic sessions for regular course, so please attend our regular training process. We will mention every time in the chat box. Okay, so these sessions are completely for people who already completed their training and they want to attend SAP FICO workshops. All right. So I just want to check with everyone what is your expectations here. So like during our training process, we will discuss completely theoretical mode, not practical sessions are going on here. So 25 workshops are there. Okay. So each workshop we will discuss about what are the areas we have to prepare for interview and how to crack and tips and tricks for cracking the interview. These things will be discussed only during our sessions, not any practical sessions will be go on. So that's the reason. So I announced in the WhatsApp group. Okay, and other YouTube channels I just mentioned. So here only theoretical sessions will be gone because the interview expectation is real-time scenarios and a real-time way of explanation is required. That's the reason. Any expectations here? Like, why did you join in this workshop? Anyone? Okay, let me start with the SAP FI to SD integration process flow. So how many people know about FI to SD integration? Tell me. How many people know about FITSD integration? See, here only discussions will happen, not in a regular classes. So it's a workshop, means everyone need to open your mouth and say something about what you have learned during during your training process. Okay, just to say something. So then it would be helpful you and me also, because in future, so we will take some mock test. Okay, so there you have to say something, right? So if you go for any interview, at least you need to say something. Then just open your mouth and say something about what are the questions I'm asking during the session. So tell me, what is FI to SD integration? Where exactly happened? Okay, so and at least give your demonstration 1 or 2 minutes. I'm asking to everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, madam, please go ahead.
FISD integration, which connects the sales and distribution module
Mm-hmm.
with FI financial accounting method. So it
Okay.
means where whenever we sell the goods or services to a customer in SD,
Mm-hmm.
the system automatically creates like FI entries
Mm-hmm.
and general ledgers and other financial reports.
Okay.
So we have the few regarding we have the few configuration steps in SAP
Okay.
where we need to
Mm-hmm.
follow and update the assets.
Okay.
So first we have to define and assign company code and sales organization,
Mm-hmm.
and next to define the reconciliation accounts and assign customer account groups and number ranges, and also account determinations and where we have the discounts and revenue taxes,
Mm-hmm.
and also configuration like configure the pricing procedures as well.
Okay.
So account keys. So all these steps can define assign chart of accounts and
Mm-hmm.
GL accounts for tax postings and maintain automatic posting for cost of goods sold and inventory.
Mm-hmm.
These are the steps where we need to update all the steps in SAP,
Mm-hmm.
and there onwards we have the process.
Okay, fine.
So
So like where exactly FI to SD integration will happen? Where exactly? What is, so it's like it's happen in PGR billing.
yeah,
Billing.
yeah.
Okay. So what are the factors should consider while assigned in the GL accounts in VKOA? Okay, you are from outside.
No, and the students of Java.
Okay, so like which batch?
I'm from 64th batch.
64th batch. Okay, fine, fine. Great. So anyone tell me? So what are the factors should consider while assigning the GL accounts in VKOA? Anyone?
EKOA, this 8 factors is considered.
Mm-hmm. Tell me that.
One is application.
Mm-hmm.
You are selected in sales and distribution or any transaction type, sir.
Okay.
Second is condition type, KOFI or KOFK.
Uh-huh.
And third is chart of accounts.
Okay.
Fourth is sales organization.
Mm-hmm.
Fifth one is account assignment group
Okay.
for material.
Mm-hmm.
Sixth is account assignment group for customer.
Okay.
Seventh is GL accounts.
You
GL
are from
estimate.
75 batch, right, Suresh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. See, guys, today we will have complete demonstration on SAP FI to SD integration areas. Okay, so I will explain from scratch to end, and I will show you some, SAP screens as well at the time of doing these configurations. Like we don't perform any configuration and testing here. I will show you some screens for your understanding. At least you should aware what happening here. Okay, without showing some screens, it would be difficult to understand. So that's the reason during my demonstration, definitely I will show you the screens and will explain the fields if required. Okay, see guys, here complete demonstration on SAP FI to SD integration and real-time areas like how integration will happen and why it is not happened at the time of PGI, and so how it like FI to SD integration happened at the time of billing, right? So why it is not happen at the time of PGA. So here also accounting entries will pick, right? So why it is not happening. So these things also we will discuss, and some interview questions like interview real time errors. Okay, so at least if you remind 5 to 6 errors, that's sufficient to crack the interview. So our main agenda and motto is so to crack the interview, right? So if you go for any interview, definitely interview will ask you the questions like what exactly you have done at the time of doing FI to SD integration, like GL assignments. What are the factors should consider? They will go in depth. So that's the reason this workshop will be useful to everyone. People who already taken training and ready for interview, these workshops are completely recommended. Okay, and the next thing is after completion of this 5 to 10 workshops, I will conduct mock test. Okay, so this is the fifth workshop. Earlier also I have taken almost five workshops. I think this is the sixth batch, I think. So earlier, some people also attended this workshop. They successfully completed, interview, and they also working in the companies. So during our training process, everyone should be active and say something, and just open your mouth and say something. Whether it is correct or wrong, I don't worry. Just to say, okay, I don't correct anything here. Just to say what you have learned during your training process, like in your previous training, what you have learned. That says something else. That's it. That's it. Okay. So everyone can see my screen. Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So here we will discuss about what is the order to cash business process flow. Everyone know it. Okay. So initially, what happened? So what is the OTC?
Order to cash.
Huh. So order to cash. So here pre-sales activities and post-sales activities will be there. So what are the pre-sales activities? So what are the pre-sales activities in the OTC process? So every company should have sales process. Okay, so like initially pre-sales activities will happen. Tell me what are the pre-sales activities? Inquiry, quotation.
Contact with the customer.
Outline agreement can be two types. Outline agreement, contract, schedule agreement. Okay, what is the next step? What is the next step?
Sales order.
Post-sales activities. Post-sales activities will begin from the sales order creation. Then
Delivery.
outline agreement.
Post-distribution.
Outline agreement. So outline agreement is already done. What is next? Outbound delivery. Outbound delivery. Here what happened? Picking,
And PGA.
packing,
PGA.
Sending to the
loading,
point of the customer.
dispatching is nothing but PGI. After that billing, after that payment, after that reconciliation. This is the process, right? So initially inquiry should be happen. So after that quotation we have to give as a company. Then outline agreement will happen. Outline agreement can be two types: contract and schedule agreement. Contracts are two types: value based contracts and next one is quantity based contracts. So till then here entire process is called as a pre-sales activities. So pre-sales activities. After that post-sales activities will be begin. So here sales order will be created. outbound delivery. In the outbound delivery, picking, packing, loading, dispatching. After that, billing, payment, reconciliation. This is the process. This process is called as what is a cycle or order to cash process. Everyone know it, right? So here, where exactly our role will be started. So these things will be taken by SAP SD or FI people. Where exactly our role will be started.
Billing.
So from this onwards, right? From this onwards. Billing, payment, what about this PGA?
PGA is MM.
So here there is no accounting entries? No?
Yes, it's their accounting entries.
So what is the accounting entry at the time of PGA? Post goods issue?
Inventory.
Cost of goods sold account debit to inventory account credit. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Inventory account entries.
Cost of goods sold account debtor to inventory account credit, right? At the time of PGA. So this is the accounting entry will hit at the time of PGA. Cost of goods sold, what is the transaction key? What is the transaction key? Cost of goods sold transaction key is GBP. General modifier, what is the general modifier for this? VAX. Okay, so interview will ask you this question. Tell me for cost of goods sold, what is the general modifier we need to give? So this is the transaction key GBP and this is the general modifier VAX. And what is the inventory? Transaction key.
BSX.
BSX means inventory, right? PGI. Let me open SAP screen. Okay, all right. Now, you see, just I am taking one billing entry. Okay, so that we can see in VA05. So VA05 means, sorry, VF05. So just to go to VF05, VF05 means list of billing documents. Okay. So here I'm just taking pair. The company code is, what is the company code? HPGS. So under HPGS, I created some billing documents. Okay, 1 minute. Which is the company code? One minute. So these are the billing documents I created, okay, earlier. So these are the billing documents list, okay, which I created in my dummy server. Okay, so here the billing document that we can see over here, okay, just you can select and just you go to the descending order. So here the latest billing document which I created in 28/08/2025, okay. So you just double click here, This is my sales organization, distribution channel and division. So go to accounting document. So this is the entry I posted. This is the billing document. Okay. So customer account data to sales deduction, freight and output tax. So this document is completely relevant to billing. Okay. So now you just go to environment and go to document flow and original document. Okay. So this is the invoice. 1 minute accounting document. So here 1 minute accounting document relationship browser. So just to go to display document flow. So just to go to display document flow. So here outbound delivery. This is the outbound delivery, and this is the invoice. Okay. Outbound delivery display document. So here I think post goods issue also happened. So here display document. So here you just go to check here. This is the old one. So here one thing is missed out. PGI was missed out. Goods issue is not happen here. Okay. So goods issue is not happen. I will take one more document. Just give me a moment. Let me take one more document. Okay. Environment display document. Outbound delivery completed. And this is the sales order. This is the sales order. There is a problem in our system. Even sales orders are also not opening because of business partner business partner issue in our system. Okay. See outbound delivery. So what is the entry here? Customer cost of goods sold account data to inventory, right? So here just to go to OBYC. So just to go to OBYC, and so cost of goods sold is the transaction key is GBB. Okay. So take the GBB. This is the GBB. So here, what is your chart of account? HPGS. Okay. So assign the general modifier VAX to your valuation class. This is the transaction key, and this is the general modifier. This is the valuation class. Every material should have valuation class, and assign the GL accounts. It's related to COGS. Cost of goods sold GL account we have to assign based upon the general modifier, valuation class, and transaction key. So for interview point of view, so how you can explain these things to the interviewer? First you can say, okay, so PGI finance entry is cost of goods sold account data to inventory. So for cost of goods sold, transaction key is GBB, and for GBB we have to assign general modifier VAX. Okay, along with valuation class, and after that we have to assign the respective GL accounts. It says COGS GL. This is automatic GL account. Automatic posting we have to select for this GL account. Okay, so this is called as account determination for GBB. So for BSX, so BSX means inventory, right? So BSX, where it is BSX? So here is the BSX. This is the inventory posting. Okay. So here is just assign the GL account. BSX means assign the GL account to the valuation class and valuation modifier. Okay. Here general modifier is not there. General modifier is only for GBB, KYN, and PRD. Okay. For respect to GBB transactions, so we have to give the general modifiers. Okay. So while explaining about what is FI2MM integration, that time I will explain the general modifiers concept. Okay, right now just understand that. So how the GL will pick at the time of PGI. So here based upon this automatic posting. So here we have to assign the respective GL account for the valuation class and valuation modifier for respective transaction key. Okay. So once you assign this, so definitely you will find this transaction. Okay, cost of goods sold account data to inventory. So what is the FI role here? We have to assign the respective GL accounts in OBYC. okay, for respect to GL accounts, and what are the factors should consider in assigning these GL accounts in OBYC? Valuation class, valuation modifier, general modifier, transaction type, and movement type. Tell me what are the factors consider? What are the factors we'll consider while assigning GL accounts? Valuation class, valuation modifier, general modifier, movement type.
Movement,
Next,
material,
uh,
material,
material type. Next,
transaction,
transaction case. So transaction keys are GBB and BSX. So PGI finance entry. So interview will ask you this question. So at the time of PGI, what happened? MM to SD integration will happen. At the time of PGI, MM to SD integration will happen. Okay, because so goods are moving from the stock to the customer, right? So here stock will be reduced. Once we issued the goods, what happens? Stock will be reduced. So here so MM will impact stock reducing. Okay, so against this sales, that means MM to SD integration. We are fulfilling the customer requirement here. So customer order the goods. That's the reason we create the sales order based upon the customer demand. After that, so goods issue will be happen. So initially goods will be picked from the warehouse. After that it should be packed. After that loading will happen. So picking, loading, packing, this timing will be given by the SAP end user at the time of sales order creation. Okay, dispatching. So dispatching means here FI role will be FI role is assigning the GL accounts in OBYC. Okay, so because the billing is still not complete, that's the reason here FI to into FI to SD integration is not happened, because so billing is not completed. Okay, so invoice is not completed. We deliver the goods, but so we didn't send the invoice. So that's the reason. So here FI to SD integration is not happen. Only FI to MM to SD integration will happen, and FI role is there, and the account determination part is there. Okay. So these things you have to tell to the interviewer. So how you can describe this thing to the interviewer? So tomorrow if interviewer ask about tell me what is the PJ entry. So you can tell to the interviewer PJ entry is cost of goods sold account data to inventory. So for cost of goods sold, what is the general modifier? So VAX, and what is the transaction key GBB, and for inventory we have to take BSX. For these two GL accounts we have to assign in OBYC based upon these factors: valuation class, valuation modifier, general modifier, movement type, and material type, and transaction keys. Okay. So while assigning the GL accounts, we should consider these factors in OBYC. Okay, that things we need to explain to the interviewer. Okay. So now tell me what is the billing entry? What is the billing entry? Anyone?
customer account debit, customer account
Sales will be created.
So what is the billing entry? Customer account data to sales, right? So here sometimes what happen? Okay, for this billing, sale deduction, freight, and output tax also added based upon the requirement. So how these configurations? So like how we can do this configuration for sale deduction, freight, and output tax? So these are all coming right to sale deduction, freight, and output tax, where we need to do account determination for this sale deduction, freight, and output tax. So what is the document type for billing document? RV. What is the document type for PGA? Post goods issue document type. Please tell me. WL. WL. Okay, so WL is the post goods issue document type, and RV is the billing document type. So here interview will ask you how the account determination will happen for the billing document. How this GL account sales is picking automatically at the time of VF01 and VF02 releasing. How this GL accounts are picking on what basis? Where we need assign these GL accounts? VKOA. So VKOA account determination for billing. OBYC account determination for FI related. Okay, FI to SD integration will happen at VKOA billing document. So billing document is customer account or to sales. Sometimes what happen for billing document, sale deductions and freight and taxes will be added. So then how these GL accounts will pick automatically at the time of VF01, VF02 because of this integration configuration. At the time of VKOA, like in this transaction code, so here that some tables also there. So these are the combination. Table means combination. If you want to assign the GL account based upon the customer group, material group, account key, then if you have these details, okay, then assign the GL accounts here for respect to account key. What is ERL? What is ERL? ERL means sales revenue. ERL means sales revenue. So here we have to assign the GL account. This is automatic GL account. We have to select automatic GL accounts in VFS 00. So ERL means sales. Okay. So if you assign the GL account to this combination, okay, application, condition type, chart of account, sales organization, account SMA group for material, account SMA group for customer, account key. So then GL account. What is accrual? Tell me. What is this GL? Accrual. So what is this accrual account? For which cases this accrual account will be used?
Customer given to some extra discounts or rebates.
Customer given to some extra discounts or rebates, then accruals will be used. Accrual GL account we have to put for ERB. ERB means rebates. Okay, ERB means rebate. Okay. So tell me some account keys. Tell me some accounts. This is also one of the interview question. Tell me some account keys list. So tell me some account keys list. Tell me. ERL for sales revenue, ERS for sales reduction, ERB for rebates, ERF for freight. See here, so for this combination, for ERF we have to assign the GL account. For ERS we have to assign the GL account. For ERB we have to assign the GL account. Okay. So on what basis we have to assign the GL account? Based upon the application, condition type, chart of account, sales organization, account SMA group for material, account SMA group for customer, and account key. Okay. So interview will ask you, tell me some account keys. ERL, ERF, ERS, ERB, MWS. What is MWS? What is MWS? Tax related. MWS is for tax related. So once you assign the GL account for respect to account keys, then so billing document, okay, then billing document posted successfully, and this GL will come at the time of billing, freight and etc. Okay. So but one more thing we need to observe. One more thing we need to observe. So here we have one T code is there, V/08. What is this T code? Tell me. This T code about pricing procedure. Just you go to pricing procedure, take one pricing procedure here, okay, and go here and check. This is the pricing procedure, right? So here we have to assign. So these things will be taken SAP SD people, okay. So please keep off your audio, please. Vijay, please keep off your audio. See guys, here the account keys are linked to your condition types. Okay, so if respect to account key condition type is not linked, sorry, for respect to condition, okay, account key is not linked, then so billing document will not pick. So ERL, ERF, ERS, everything is here. Okay. So with respect to condition, this is the freight condition. So this is the freight condition. Hence here ERF is there. Sales deduction condition. Hence here account key is there. So it's a rebate condition. Hence its accrual is there. So these account key and accruals. Okay, these account key accruals are linked to your conditions. Okay, if anyone is missed, that means any account key is missed to the respect to condition, so definitely billing document will not be picked. So you have to tell this to the interviewer. Okay, so billing document is not generated, tell me the reason. So many reasons, this is one of the reason, that respect to in v oblique 08 pricing procedure. So in v oblique 08 account key is not, respect to account key is not assigned to the respect to condition, then so billing document will not be generated. And billing document means accounting document will not be generated. So accounting document will not hit if respect to account key is not assigned to the respect to condition. Okay, so and the next thing is, so here in VKOA, so here in VKOA, so this is the table, right? Customer group, material group, account key. Okay, so this configuration also done by SAP ST people. Okay, this configuration is called as a revenue account determination configuration. This configuration is called as a revenue account determination configuration. So if revenue account determination configuration is not done properly, so even if you assign all these GL accounts and respective chart of accounts and sales organization etc. properly, then error will trigger. So and where revenue account determination configuration will be done by ST people. So I will show you right away. SPRO. So just to go to, so you just to go to, so SD, sales and distribution, and basic functions, and account assignment and costing, revenue account determination configuration. See, account keys will be created from here only. So here assign GL accounts. Okay. See, assign GL accounts VKOS settings. So this is account keys configuration, account keys, assign account keys for revenue account determination. So here respect to pricing procedure. So what's your pricing procedure? So for example, standard pricing procedure also there. So this is your pricing procedure. So all your conditions we can assign respect to account keys. These things will be taken care by SAP SD guys. Okay. Define account keys for revenue account determination. So your account keys. These are all your account keys. Okay. So any of account key is not assigned to respect to condition type, error will trigger. And so here account keys will be created. Okay. Define and assign account determination procedure. This is very important. So here your pricing procedure, your procedure, account determination procedure will be created. So KO, FI and KO, FK conditions will be created from this place only. Account determination without CO. KO, FI and KO, FK condition. So this is the original one, standard. So KO, FI and KO, FK condition will be created from this place only. Okay. Assign account determination procedure. So this procedure need to assign to your billing document. Your billing document type is B1. So your billing document is B1, right? So B1 is your billing document. So sorry, F2 is the invoice. F2 is the invoice. This is your F2 is the invoice. Here billing document list. F2 pro forma invoices, billing. Okay, these are all document type for billing. Credit memo. Okay, so these are all document types for billing. So this is for rebate. So F2 is the F2 is your main invoice. Okay. So here respect to account determination, we have to give here KOFI 00. Okay, this is the standard one. This one. So in KOFI 00 procedure, this condition will be linked. Okay. So because of that, okay, so it's working. FI because of that, so this is working. Okay. So you have to know this. So access sequence. So define account determination types. So these are the conditions and access sequence should be linked. Okay, this configuration will be taken care by SAP ST people. Okay, but what you are directly doing, so just going and just for this table you are assigning the respective GL accounts based upon these factors. Okay, so if you want to assign your if you want to create any new one like account key, account group, so this combination we can also assign. Okay, based upon the client requirement. Okay, so on what basis we have to assign the GL account, that things will be taken care by SAP SD people. Okay, so this table combination will be created in backend. Okay, so even you can assign the GL account for customer and account key also without having this material group. Customer material group. If you don't have the material group, you can also assign the GL account. It will work. Okay. If you do not have the customer group, so you can also assign this. Okay. So this is called as revenue account determination configuration. This configuration will be done by SAP SD people. So even if you assign respect to application condition type and GL account, sometimes what happen? So error will trigger. So everything is okay, but error will trigger because so if you not done properly revenue account determination configuration in the backend and assignments respect to document type F2, okay, so we have to give the procedure that we are not assigning properly, then error will trigger. Okay. So these configurations are done by SAP ST people only. From your side, you just understand that revenue account determination configuration is there in the backend. So like this configuration will be taken by SAP SD people. If revenue account determination configuration is not done properly, so billing document will not be picked. That means accounting document will not hit. Okay. So accounting document will not be generated. So what are the reasons accounting document will not be generated? These are the two reasons. And third reason is account assignment group for customer, account assignment group for material. In material master, definitely you have to assign this so account determination for material. In customer master, you have to assign this account determination for customer. If you not assign, then error will trigger. So for example, so for example, so I think sales order will not open because issue with the business partner in this demo server. Say you know about the material master, right? So it's not opening. So you just go to MM03 or MM60. So take one material HPGS. This is HPS1 plant. So this is the finished product. So you just go to sales organization to So here one field will be there, account assignment group for customer. So account assignment group for material. So if you not assign that field, so error will trigger. So here are not showing entire things. Mm, okay. HPS1 plant. I think so. Here the time of creation of new field, definitely here we will see account assignment group for material field. Okay, so that field we have to give, and in the customer master data we have to give the customer. In customer master data we have to give this billing at the time of customer creation. So for billing we have to give this 01. Okay, if you not assign this 01 in the customer master, if you give any 0203, so definitely accounting document will not hit. And for this account SMA group for material, this is the 03 means 03 means it's a finished goods. Okay, if you not assign this field in the metal master, so accounting document will not hit. So these are the errors at the time of billing document creation. So billing document is created but accounting document is not generated. So what are the errors? So one error. So account assignment group for customer 01 is not assigned in the customer master data, and account assignment group for material is not assigned in the metal master data. Okay, respect to account key not assigned proper GL account. Okay, so these are the reasons. And tax related errors. Okay, tax related errors and V oblique 08 pricing procedure related errors. Okay, everyone can see my screen, please confirm. Huh. See guys, so here we create sales order, delivery creation, post goods issue, billing and customer payment. This is the process flow. Okay, this is the process flow. So here no FI impact. So here post goods issue FI impact is there, billing, okay, FI impact is there, customer FI role is there. Okay, these three areas are very crucial for you. So financial accounting integration points. So post goods issue and billing. So post goods issue, finance entry, cost of goods sold account are to inventory. So for respect to GBB, how to assign the general modifier VAX. So billing VF01. Okay. So how the tax will pick from the so billing document? Tell me how the tax will pick at the time of billing. Anyone tell me how the tax GL will pick?
Price condition, MWS price condition.
Huh. So this one MWS. So here MWS, not HWS, but I customized this one. So how the output tax GL will pick? How the output tax GL will pick?
In VKOA code we need to give MWS account key and GL account number.
So where we say for MWS, okay, tax percentage, right? So output tax 5%, 10%, where we can maintain?
In price condition, I think VK11.
Exactly. See, VK11 is the place. VK11 is the place. Here for PR00 gross price. Okay, gross price. So here we can maintain. So this combination comes from the table and access sequence. Okay. So here we can, for respect to material distribution channel, we can maintain the amount. If you maintain the amount here, it will directly flow to the sales order. So like here respect to MWS is the tax code. Okay. So for MWST is the condition. For this condition, okay, if you maintain the percentage, okay, for country, respect to country, if you maintain the percentage, okay, definitely it will flow to the sales order and billing. System will automatically calculate the tax. Okay, here we have to select MWST related, MWST tax liable. This one we have to select. Okay, this configuration will be tax classification configuration for customer, tax classification for material. So this at the time of creation of material, so we have to select tax. At the time of customer, we have to select tax. So at the time of customer creation, tax will be there. Okay, at the time billing. So in the billing tab, tax will be there. At the time of material creation, tax will be there. Okay, in the sales tab. Okay, so if you give these inputs only, tax will pick. Understand? So in the metal master, definitely you need to select the tax, and customer master billing tab we have to select the tax. Okay, now. Okay, so these are the things we should consider. Okay, here tax rates we have to maintain. Then it will flow to the directly billing document. And in VK11, we have to maintain freight conditions. Say for example, freight condition is there, FR00 something else. So for this also we have to maintain how much freight you are giving. Okay, and the CAD discounts, how much CAD discount we are giving here, condition records. So if you maintain everything in condition record, it will directly flow to the sales order. Okay, so amount, percentages and everything should be maintained in the condition type, condition records here. So for respect to condition type, we have to maintain percentages, tax percentages, freight percentages and sales deductions and everything here. Okay, so it will directly flow to the sales order, then it will directly flow to the billing. In billing we don't edit anything. Okay, it will directly come from the sales order. What you given in the sales order, it will directly flow to the billing. Okay. Configuration FITSD integration happened VKOA. Okay, VKOA works account determination logic. So here these are the combinations. So these combinations have this combination I told you, this is combination revenue determination configuration. So if you do the revenue account determination configuration, these things will come automatically. Okay, but revenue account determination configuration will be done by SAP SD people. Okay, on what basis you will assign the GL account? Based upon these factors: chart of account, sales and customer. Okay, so these are the examples of conditions: PR00, K007, freight, MWST tax. So these are the account keys, MWS. Now my question is, so how the tax will pick? Tax percentage we have to give in VK11. Okay, directly flow to the sales order. Then it will directly flow to the billing. But and this MWS, like this is the account key, right? So this MWS and MWST, what is the linkage here? See, just to go to V/08, V/08 is the pricing condition, pricing procedure for SD. Okay, so here if you take down any one procedure, so compulsory. So if you assign the tax here MWST condition respect to account key MWS. So how we can show? So any standard is there? So here just to check MWST is there or not. If MWST is not here or MWS is not here, then your billing document will not pick. Understand that. So here there is no MWST condition and MWS, so account key. That's the reason the billing document will not say tax will not be calculated. So here MWST will be there and MWST account key. So with respect to condition, respect to account key should be there. Then only tax will pick, or else tax will not be picked. And second thing is tax GL will pick from the OB40. So tax GL will pick from the OB party, GST configuration, everyone will know it. Okay, so from this place, okay, respect to account, respect to account key, respect to chart of account, we have to give the GL accounts. GL account will pick from the OB party. Okay, GL account will pick from the OB party, and tax procedure also there in OB Q3. Linkages, these are all linkages. So see, for this price control here, MWST and MWS both will be there for every tax procedure. Every tax procedure MWST condition and MWS account key will be there. Okay, and pricing procedure also MWST and MWS will be there. So then only tax will pick. So tax percentage will be maintained in VK11. Okay, tax percentage will be maintained VK11. Tax GL will pick from the OB40. Okay, so so tax is working because of pricing procedure and tax procedure. And if you assign to OBBG here, then system will understand for respect to country. So tax procedure is this. This is the concept. Okay. So sales order, delivery, billing, everyone know it. Okay, what are the tables? So if you don't know about which billing document you have created, you just go to table header and line item tables are also there. So you just go to SC16N. So VBRK. So generally we take these sessions for advanced training, like people who are already taken training or who are into companies. Okay. So this is advanced training for everyone, but normal basic training is different, advanced training is different. So here the billing document is, so F2. Okay. So this is the billing document. This is the pricing procedure. Okay, so here for every billing document we can see which pricing procedure and shipping condition document here. These are all things we can see here. Entire billing document list we can see here. Just to copy this billing document and just to go to VF03, and you can see the complete billing document information from this place. Okay. So common errors. Okay, so for entry point of view, I have prepared so many errors here. Okay, but upcoming class, so we will continue this FI to SD integration. Okay, with this presentation, like with this document, I will explain. So far, what we have learned, this is just like understanding about our training process, how it will be going to deliver. Okay, so in upcoming classes, we'll discuss one more session on FI to SD integration. We'll take in one at least 1 hour, two sessions. After that, we'll move to the FI to MM integration. So here we mainly focus on interview aspects and real time. So how to survive. Okay, for example, if you join in any organization, suddenly you get any project related to FI to SD, at least you should know about what kind of things you have to do and what are the areas should consider. Okay, like who is the FI what is the FI areas and ST areas, what is revenue account determination, who will do that, and what is the combination of account sequence and tables, and what is pricing procedure, and how the GLs will pick where exactly. So these are all things I am giving overview, and after that in the next class, so we will see guys, so this is completely demo on SAP FI to SD integration areas. Okay, so in upcoming class we will discuss complete picture how the FI to SD integration will happen. So by demonstrating this document clearly. Okay, and I will show you some errors, real time errors, like show you means I will tell you what kind of errors will come. So these are all errors we will discuss one by one, and we will finish up this document. Almost 51 pages are there. This is completely corporate training. People who want to excel their skills in the SAP FI to SD integration or FICO areas. Okay. So in our upcoming classes, we will discuss FI to MM integration. After that, so we'll move to the DME, IDOC, RICE objects. Okay, and after that, automatic payment program. Okay, these are all discussions will happen. So once you complete these 25 sessions, like 25 workshop videos, then you are able to crack any kind of SAP FICO interviews, and it would helpful to work in real time areas. Okay, in our normal and regular training is different, and this workshop process and in this workshop is completely different. Okay, and we also shared some workshop videos, free workshop videos, so that is also available in our YouTube channel, English channel. Okay, so where I put almost 40 workshop videos. So so people also watching and getting jobs. Okay, but that was not updated. So that's the reason again I'm preparing new documents for these workshops. So earlier it was 40 workshops, now it is 25 workshop only, and every time we will explain real time scenario, real time example, and real time process configurations. Okay, and the complete picture about all the areas. Okay, this would helpful to crack any kind of interview, no doubt at all. And after end of our 5 to 6 classes, we will take mock test. Okay, and we will give you assignments, but our session will go on only Sunday, Saturday, and another 2 working days. Okay, so only 4 classes will be there. Okay, in every week 4 classes will be there because of my time constraints. So I could not take much classes. Only 4 5 classes will be there on every week. Okay, that timings and everything will be announced in the chat box. Okay, get it know every time and attend the sessions. Okay, this is completely free session. Okay, everyone should understand what I am saying here, and people who already taken training. Okay, so these sessions will helpful. People who are completely newbie to SAP, this is the first time they are watching this video. Please please join with our new program, like basic program, so FICO classes. Okay, so but this is completely advanced, and these sessions definitely helpful. Generally these sessions will take for only consultants in real time. Okay, this is completely corporate training. Thank you all. See you next class. Next class will be announced in the chat box, and people definitely must register for these sessions. Thank you all.